Hey guys, we're back with another video. We're going to be installing this bomb ginger spice wig from Luvmehair. They sent me this wig pre-colored as part of their colored wig collection. I will be putting the link to this exact wig in the description. I did the ball cap method off camera. I'm starting here by sewing down the cap in the back, then cutting around her hairline. This color is giving ginger spice, a little Keisha Cole moment, okay.
That's purr, and in the caption,
I tinted the lace with my fave True Match Lace Conceal in the shade Tan, which is their lightest shade, to match my client. I like to cut off the lace before gluing down my wigs, and always start off by cutting behind the ears of the lace. Using Ericka J's collection, starting with the protection guard, then going in with the hold me down glue. This has definitely become one of my favorite glues. I use this on all of my clients. The girls that get it, get it. I like to go in with about 3 layers for a good hold. I blow dry on hot and go in with my metal tooth comb until she's melted. Since the lace was cut first, you really want to take your time when laying it and to pull down on the lace as you're laying it down to the glue. baby hairs time. My client likes to keep it cute and simple, so we're just gonna pull out one on each side and add some by the side of the ear. Then add some molding product and tie it down with an elastic band. I curled her off camera, but if you guys want to know what curler I use and the barrel size, I'll comment below. If you look on my brand page on Instagram as well, this is the curler I use to achieve mostly every curl style that's on my page. We're gonna go in and curl these baby hairs, and yes, we're curling them up. The girls that get it, get it. Oh, and yes, don't forget to shop your Briana side melt bands, available to shop online on the site. I'll link it either in the corner of this video or below in the description. that fall in the face curl, you want to curl that front curl towards the back. Then we just pull her back and then to the front of the face.
Yes, come on, Tay. Give it Tay.
Give the Tay.
Yes, give us Tay.
Thank you guys for watching. Comment below what you guys think. If there's any other videos that you guys would like to see, also comment below. Stay tuned for my next video.